Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? The truth is, becoming rich is not just about luck or circumstance, it's a result of specific mindsets, habits, and strategies. In this video, we're going to explore the reasons why you might not be rich yet, and more importantly, provide actionable steps to change that once and for all. Whether you're just starting your wealth building journey or have been working towards financial freedom for years, this video will shed light on the common pitfalls that hold people back from achieving their financial goals. From lack of financial literacy to lifestyle inflation, fear, and limiting beliefs, we'll dive deep into the root causes that keep you from unlocking your true wealth potential. But don't worry, we'll also equip you with practical strategies and a proven roadmap to overcome these obstacles and finally start building the wealth you deserve. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? The truth is, becoming rich is not just about luck or circumstance, it's a result of specific mindsets, habits, and strategies. In this video, we're going to explore the reasons why you might not be rich yet, and more importantly, provide actionable steps to change that once and for all. Whether you're just starting your wealth building journey or have been working towards financial freedom for years, this video will shed light on the common pitfalls that hold people back from achieving their financial goals. From lack of financial literacy to lifestyle inflation, fear, and limiting beliefs, we'll dive deep into the root causes that keep you from unlocking your true wealth potential. But don't worry, we'll also equip you with practical strategies and a proven roadmap to overcome these obstacles and finally start building the wealth you deserve. Even for those with a solid understanding of personal finance, lifestyle inflation can be a major roadblock to building wealth. Lifestyle inflation refers to the tendency to increase one's spending habits and living expenses as income rises. This can manifest in various ways, such as upgrading to a larger home, purchasing a new luxury vehicle, or indulging in more frequent vacations and entertainment. While it's natural to want to enjoy the fruits of your labor, unchecked lifestyle inflation can quickly erode any potential for wealth accumulation. The more you spend on non-essential luxuries, the less you'll have available to save and invest for your long-term financial goals. This cycle of earning more and spending more can become a perpetual trap, leaving you stuck in a state of financial stagnation. To overcome lifestyle inflation, it's crucial to live below your means and maintain a disciplined approach to spending. By consciously prioritizing saving and investing over excessive consumption, you can create a path towards genuine wealth creation and financial freedom. Having a clear, well-defined plan is essential for achieving any significant goal, and building wealth is no exception. Many individuals fail to accumulate substantial wealth because they lack a comprehensive, long-term wealth building plan. Without a roadmap to guide their financial decisions, they often find themselves making impulsive choices or lacking the focus and discipline necessary for sustained wealth creation. A solid wealth building plan should encompass various components, including budgeting, saving and investing strategies, risk management, tax planning, and setting specific financial goals. It should be tailored to your unique circumstances, risk tolerance, and long-term aspirations, whether it's achieving financial independence, building a retirement nest egg, or leaving a legacy for future generations. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Now back to the video. Developing a wealth building plan requires taking the time to assess your current financial situation, identifying your short and long-term goals, and creating actionable strategies to achieve them. It may involve seeking the guidance of professionals, such as financial advisors or certified planners, who can provide personalized advice and help you navigate the complexities of wealth management. Even with the necessary knowledge and a well-crafted plan, many individuals struggle to build wealth due to deeply ingrained fears and limiting beliefs. These mental barriers can manifest in various forms, such as fear of failure, lack of confidence in one's abilities, or the belief that wealth is unattainable or reserved for a privileged few. Fear can paralyze individuals from taking calculated risks or pursuing opportunities that could potentially lead to significant wealth creation. It can stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or a scarcity mindset that perpetuates the idea that resources are limited and wealth is a zero-sum game. Limiting beliefs, on the other hand, can act as self-imposed constraints that restrict an individual's potential for growth and success. These beliefs often originate from limiting thoughts or negative self-talk, such as "I'm not good with money," "I'll never be able to afford that," or "wealthy people are greedy." These beliefs can become deeply ingrained and shape an individual's actions, ultimately sabotaging their wealth-building efforts. Overcoming fear and limiting beliefs requires a conscious effort to shift one's mindset and cultivate a growth-oriented, abundance-focused perspective. This may involve practices such as affirmations, visualization exercises, or seeking the guidance of a mentor or coach who can help reframe limiting beliefs and instill a more empowering mindset. For steps to fix it now, commit to financial education. The journey to lasting wealth begins with a commitment to continuous financial education. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of personal finance, it's the foundation upon which all successful wealth-building strategies are built. Seek out reliable resources, such as books, online courses, seminars, or even consider working with a financial advisor or mentor. Immerse yourself in the principles of budgeting, investing, debt management, and wealth creation. Treat financial literacy as a lifelong pursuit, constantly expanding your understanding and staying up to date with the latest strategies and best practices. Develop a wealth-building mindset beyond acquiring knowledge. Cultivating the right mindset is crucial for achieving lasting wealth. Embrace a growth mindset, one that believes in abundance, possibility, and the power of consistent effort. Visualize your desired financial future, and let that vision fuel your actions and decisions. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's books, podcasts, or individuals who embody the wealth-building principles you aspire to emulate. Adopt affirmations and mantras that reinforce your belief in your ability to create wealth. Now, let's take a quick break to talk about an exciting opportunity. If you're interested in learning more crypto investing, I highly recommend checking out the Crypto Quantum Leap course. This course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies and make informed investment decisions. By enrolling in this course, you'll gain valuable insights from industry experts and learn strategies to maximize your returns in the crypto market. To learn more about Crypto Quantum Leap, click the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Create a solid financial plan armed with financial knowledge and a wealth-building mindset. The next step is to create a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your unique goals and circumstances. This plan should encompass budgeting strategies, saving and investing approaches, risk management tactics, and specific, measurable targets for wealth accumulation. Consider leveraging tools or seeking assistance from professionals, such as budgeting apps, robo-advisors, or certified financial planners, to ensure your plan is well-crafted and aligned with your objectives. Take action and stay consistent. Knowledge and planning alone are not enough. True wealth is built through consistent, disciplined action. Implement your financial plan with unwavering commitment, and hold yourself accountable to the goals and strategies you've established. Celebrate small wins along the way, but remain focused on the long-term vision. Consistency is key. Make saving and investing a non-negotiable habit, and resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation or impulsive spending. Regularly review and adjust your plan as your circumstances or goals evolve, but never lose sight of the wealth-building journey you've embarked upon. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a relentless commitment to personal growth and financial education. Stay the course, and you'll be well on your way to unlocking the wealth and financial freedom you've always desired. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and finally start building the wealth you deserve, the time to act is now. Implementing the strategies we've discussed in this video is the first step towards breaking free from the shackles of financial mediocrity and unlocking a world of abundance and opportunity. So, I challenge you, share your wealth-building goals or experiences in the comments below. What's been holding you back from achieving financial freedom? What steps will you take to overcome those obstacles? Engage with this community, and let's hold each other accountable on this incredible journey. And if you're eager to take your wealth-building efforts to the next level, stay tuned for our next video. The surprising truth about making your first $1 million. It's not what you think. We'll shatter the myths and misconceptions surrounding millionaire status and reveal the real secrets to achieving that elusive 7-figure milestone. Trust me, The insights you'll gain will challenge everything you thought you knew about building substantial wealth. Don't miss out on this invaluable opportunity to gain a fresh perspective and equip yourself with the knowledge and strategies to propel your wealth-building journey forward. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to ensure you don't miss this game-changing content. Remember, the path to true wealth begins with a single step, a commitment to educating yourself, shifting your mindset, and taking consistent action towards your financial goals. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the extraordinary potential that lies within each and every one of us.